In today's video, you will learn how to subscribe your MemberPress members to your CRM and email marketing lists. We already have the MemberPress plugin installed. We'll hover over its menu item and go to Settings. Then we'll go to the Marketing tab. We'll enable MailOptin. Next, we'll choose an integration. These are all the ones that I have connected. Let's go ahead and use MailerLite. Moving on, we can select a list. So these are the lists available to me. I'll just keep the default one. You can also map custom fields if you need to. I'm going to leave this alone. And now we can choose to subscribe members automatically or ask for permission. And if you ask for permission, a checkbox will be displayed in the membership form. We'll keep it unchecked and we'll update our options. Okay, so moving on, we're going to go ahead and take a look at our memberships. So under MemberPress, we're going to click on memberships on the left-hand side. And that will show us all of the different memberships that we have available. And let's view this gold one in a new incognito window. And if we scroll down, we'll see the opt-in checkbox. All right, so now we're going to explore subscribing specific members of specific memberships to specific lists. So here we have our free membership plan. Now on the right-hand side, we'll find the MailOptin integration section. And here I'm going to select MailerLite as my integration. And here, once again, we'll need to select a list. And we can use the same one, or we can use one that I prepared for this specific plan. So I'm going to update this. And once it's published, we can go ahead and test it out. So let's open our membership page in a new incognito window. And right here, we have our form. I'm going to go ahead and fill this in and check the opt-in box. Okay, that's all good. So let's click on sign up. Okay, and once we have signed up to the free plan, we can now go to MailerLite to see if our information was captured. So I'm going to reload this page. And after it loads, we'll go to our free membership group. I'm just going to click on View Group. And once that opens, if we scroll down, we'll see the lead that we subscribed. All right, so this is how you subscribe MemberPress members to your email marketing list and CRMs. Thanks for watching and see you next time.